Check the repaired shingles by actively testing the roof and attic so leaks that only appear with rain or humidity do not surprise you later. Start by recreating wet conditions safely and deliberately. If weather allows, run a garden hose on the repaired area for about 30 minutes while someone stays in the attic watching for drips, concentrating the flow above the repair and overlapping shingles by several inches to mimic natural runoff. Inside the attic, use a flashlight and move slowly along rafters and sheathing seams, looking for darkened wood, fresh water beads, or damp insulation. Small stains can be hairline leaks developing into bigger problems. Measure attic humidity with a simple hygrometer before and after the test. A rise toward 90% can make hidden leaks more visible and tells you whether moisture is accumulating. Inspect the ceiling below the repair by looking for new discoloration, soft spots, or bulging paint, and press gently with a gloved finger to detect dampness. For repairs near vents, chimneys, or valleys, probe flashing interfaces by lifting roofing cement slightly to see if water pathways are sealed and reseat flashing with proper roofing cement applied in a continuous bead. Record observations with timestamps and photos so you can compare conditions after future storms and hand this documentation to a contractor if the leak persists. Common mistakes start with assuming a visual surface fix means the underlayment and flashings are intact, which can leave slow leaks that only show after prolonged moisture exposure. Solve this by opening a small inspection panel in the attic near the repair and checking the underlayment and sheathing directly. Another issue is testing only during dry weather, which misses humidity-driven leaks. Recreate moisture by controlled hose testing and monitor attic humidity to force concealed leaks to reveal themselves. A third problem is ignoring adjacent roof features like step flashing, drip edges, or valley seams because they look fine from the ground. Check these areas up close, lift adjacent shingles if safe, and seal or replace compromised flashing so water cannot bypass the repaired shingle. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who bid on roofing and leak detection jobs and helps contractors find work through project listings and direct homeowner contact. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share field tips, test methods, and contractor experiences that make post-repair leak checking clearer and faster.